Wow, is that ladder moving? Awesome. Is it turned to the other side? Oh, that's nice. That's a cool fire truck. Wow. Is that sound siren? Woo! Behind, it just crashed. Woo! It's a very nice police car too. Oh, wait, is there an emergency? Oh, you were doing a fun? Ooh, what is that? Is that Superman? Superman came to rescue? What is that? What you are opening? Is there another? Okay. Nice. Nice. Police car came. Hey, police car, give him away. Why? You don't want to rescue the people? Okay, you are gonna rescue the people? Done? Superman. Okay. What is that? Is that another fire truck? Is that ladder works? Awesome. Awesome. What is that one? That is another small fire truck? I can see. Ooh. Nice. Oh, Superman is sitting on the ladder. Where is the sirens? Why the sirens are not happening? Superman is the driver. Hey, I can see so many police cars. Can you show me what is that? Hey, that's a. Oh, Superman fall down. What is that? Police car? Oh. Okay. What about those two? White police car? Nice. Oh, look at that. That's a big police car. Oh, that works?
Yes.
Is that door open?
Yes. And this is a bigger Lamborghini
Let me see.
one. Bigger Lamborghini.
Look at that. The doors are open.
And
I can see another police car there.
yes.
Can you show me? Is that doors open too? Look at that. Open the door. Keep it open. Let me see. Nice. You have so many police cars. How many police cars you have? Count it for me. How many police cars you have?
5.
Count it. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 4, 5.
And there is another bigger one. Sound the siren. Woo! No, do the siren, please. What about the fire truck? Awesome. Nice. Good job.